female presidents and vice presidents. President male Ayush Rajbhar, male. President female Drishti Kochar. Vice President male Deepam Dave. Vice President female Naisha Patel. Dear Presidents and Vice Presidents, you have to shoulder a huge log of responsibilities. First and foremost is coordinate with the other ministers at the time of different activities and events taking place in the school and outside the school too. Discipline in the school, various inter-house competitions, sports days, annual days, etc. should be taken care of by you people. If time needs, you have to deliver speeches or vote of thanks too. Involve yourself in planning and organizing the events. Conduct yourselves with humility and politeness. You come across different strata of people in and outside the campus, attending school functions, communicating important updates with the rest of the ministry, supporting and coordinating school events. You have to be well groomed and smartly dressed. Now I call upon Nishmin ma'am to carry on the procedure.
Good morning. I request the cabinet ministers to come on stage, please. Ami ma'am, Cultural Ministry. Aarti ma'am, System Ministry. Nancy ma'am, Grace Ministry. Kathy ma'am, Grievance Ministry, and Meena ma'am, Home Affairs Ministry. I request Maya ma'am, Commissioner, Saidini ma'am, and Antama ma'am to carry out the consultation led by the cabinet ministers. I now call upon the Cultural Ministry led by Ami ma'am. Minister Vedanshi Shah, Deputy Ministers Ridhiman Jain, Dil Chadje, Mishka Kushwaha, Kenisha Bansal. The cultural ministers have to organize, plan, and conduct the school events. Inter-house events should also be taken care of. Ushering the assembly, being supportive for sports day, annual day, Teachers' Day, and so on. And lastly, being alert and to contribute to the services during the night stay. I now call upon the Sister Ministry led by Aarti Ma'am, Minister Ayush Patel, Deputy Ministers Oishi Gatani, Saptarishi Sangela, Kenil Purasra, and Naisha Panchal. Sister Ministers have to be posted at the time of arrivals and dispersals taking place in the school, being supportive to the teachers, taking care of discipline in the school, seeing that the students are speaking English on the school campus, students are wearing a proper school uniform, checking the bags randomly to find out if anything extra is carried by the students. Students have proper hairdo as prescribed by the school. Nails are trimmed regularly, and lastly, whether students walk in a line every time they go in or out of the class. I now call upon the Grace Ministry led by Mansi Ma'am, Minister Shriya Bhatt, Deputy Ministers Yashvi Bachani, Jaishish Sen Gupta, Yashika Thakkar, and Maisha Moradia. Grace Ministers have to be mindful during breakfast and lunch time in the dining area, encourage students to eat in silence and ensure that food is not wasted, participate in all the initiatives taken for Samarpan events, softboards are well managed and updated, and lastly, morning prayers are prayed, jogging and yoga are conducted regularly. Next, I call upon the Grievance Ministry led by Khyati Ma'am, Minister Brinda Thakkar, Deputy Ministers Shailendra Jain, Shreyansh Jain, Ashi Rana, Mahit Rathod. Grievance ministers have to be there if any grievance is noticed for lost and found property, and it should be taken care of. Any concerns of students, teachers, or parents should be attended to and informed to the relevant authority. Addressing the concerns and following up along with feedback. Repairs and maintenance of the school property like furniture, infrastructure, building to be attended to. Lastly, ensuring the healthy atmosphere in the school and seeing that no one is bullied. Next, I call upon the Home Affairs Ministry led by Meena Ma'am, Minister Manvi Gaur, Deputy Ministers Tanisha Daftari, Mishti Kothari, Raina Chheda and Jyotir Sheikh. Home Affairs Ministers have to be well-groomed and respectfully usher the guests, escort the visitors for a campus tour, invite the guests, welcome the guests in the school and for all the events, plan and organize for field trips, and lastly, anchoring at times for the events. I request our Falguni ma'am to take over the mic for swearing in ceremony.
I do solemnly swear that I will immediately execute the position of Student Parliament Representative and will to the best of my ability uphold, promote and support the ideas, activities and constitution of the Student Parliament. I will serve as a positive role model, leader and voice for the student fraternity. Congratulations to you all.
Thank you, ma'am. I request the newly appointed presidents, Ayush Rajgor and Drishti Kochar, to address the audience, please.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Drishti. It's an honor for us to be bestowed with the president of this school. It's the fact that we all are unique and play an important role. Thus, I'm convinced that we'll empower ourselves and foster new ideas and participate in activities lending eminence to our school.
We hope we can create a welcoming and inclusive environment for all the students of the school.
Our goal is to better the communication of the school and maintain the transparency. We hope that we can achieve our goals
And act as a
and act as a link between the three pillars of the school: students, parents, and the management. We hope that we can create a welcoming atmosphere for all the students and be representative for them. Together we'll make our school a better place. Thank you everyone for your support and trust.
We look forward
to a great year ahead.